have a lot of project books. Anytime I get an idea for a project, I throw it in a notebook and I just keep collecting them. And as far as I know, I still have all of them, I think. Until I went looking for one and I couldn't find it. So I thought I threw it out when I went through a mad cleaning binge not too long ago. Oy. So I just went on with life, continued with more ideas, more notebooks, and yeah, had no idea where it went. Until one day. I friggin' found it. Now, this was one of my older books that I had, something that started in the late 90s, early 2000s, and I did a lot of work in it.
No, I'm not a writer.
And I'm pretty sure I didn't bring it with me when I moved to another country. So when I found it, oh man, was I happy to throw it back into my stacks of notebooks, and I got curious of what I made. Having this book was amazing to go back and see all the things that I had made with my knowledge from the late 90s. And I had made quite a few things. My first projects, well, they weren't the greatest, but comparatively to today, I was prolific. Sure, there were a lot of things that I needed to work on and learn about, but I made a lot and I wrote it down. And I kept writing it down until 2005. Really? Huh, go me. So what if I remade my first skirt and my first tunic that I wrote down in this book? Sure, there's some things that didn't go the greatest, but what if we make it and see how it worked, and then remake it to see how to make it better? Which one do you want to see? I'll let you vote in the comments until my video goes live for COSI on August the 25th. In the meantime, thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to comment below on which of the two projects you want me to work on, and go make something.